All right, welcome back, my dear student. So in the last lecture, we talked about creating this functionality where we detect the user if he's logged in, and if he's not, then we redirect them back somewhere else. All right, we got that functionality already in our application, but we're gonna build it in so that way it starts automatically. All right, so let's go to our controllers. Let me just minimize this so you can see it. Let's go to our users controllers. I'm gonna show you this in the login. All right, let's see if it is on the login. All right. So when we log in, we create a session called user data, right? Well, we put we co- we create a couple sessions. The user ID, the username, and the logged in. So this is what we're gonna be detecting right here. All right. So if we go to, let's go to our projects. Actually, let's go to our project controller right here and create that functionality right now. So we're gonna say, I'm just gonna build it from scratch. We're gonna say if it's not right here, so that with that exclamation, if it's not, and we're gonna say session, we're gonna access that user data. All right. So if it's not, let me put my curly brackets. So if the data code, and let's go back and copy that, make sure we have the same exact name. Logged in, if it's not available, then we want to redirect these guys, right? Somewhere else. Say, you know what? Get out of my application. I don't want you here. Go back to home, right? Or something. Beautiful. All right. We can also set some type of flash data so that way we can give a little temporary message there. So we can say session set flash data, boom, boom. And here we could say not. All right. But this is not going to work because we need to use the constructor from the CI control underscore controller class. So for this to work, we need to call it with parent static there, because this method that I'm going to write right now is static. That way we can use it here, which is pretty cool stuff. That's why I am an advocate for static methods and properties. I love them. But anyway, so we call the construct inside the CI controller. That way we can use some of the stuff, right? So that way we can inherit some of this functionality, right? So anyway, this is how it works. If you want more information about this parent construct, there you can go to the codeigniter.com and check it out. All right. There are some other articles there that can give you a better understanding of this. All right. I'm not gonna go into details about it because I think most of you know this if you got this far with object-oriented programming. All right. So anyway, why, because my memory was going bad. I guess all the coding that I've been doing lately has been giving me some exercise. So let's check it out. All right, so let's type in projects right here. Enter. And as you can see, sorry, you're allowed or not logged in. Oh, not allowed. Bad, bad. You saw it and you didn't tell me. You're not allowed. And home view, make sure that this is in the nets thing right here, because this is the danger. So let's put it right there so that way we can get that red background. Projects. Enter. Sorry, you're not allowed or not logged in. Beautiful. Right? I hope you're learning a lot and enjoying this. And I'll see you in the next lecture. Let me just put it right here so you can see it. Thank you.